Good afternoon. My name is Mark M. Balbrona, BSTM 1B. This is my infographic about communication flow and process. How information moves from one person to another. What is communication? Communication is the process of sharing information, ideas, thought, or feelings between people. It helps us understand one another and build better relationship at school, at home, and in the workplace. It's just like what I'm doing now. I'm doing communication and type of communication flow. Uh, Type of communication flow, downward communication from teachers, managers, or leaders to students or employees. For example, giving instructions, announcements, rules, and policies. Uh, just like teacher giving instructions on his students. And we have upward communication from students or employees to teachers or managers, asking questions, giving feedback, and reporting concerns. Horizontal communication between people with the same position, like classmate working together, and team discussion and group projects. Dito sa horizontal communication, pinapakita niya yung paano nag-working communication pag kayong dalawa na working together. Just like sinabing group projects, team discussion, and classmate working together. And we have diagonal communication between people from different department or levels. For example, a student asking help from the school librarian or guidance counselor. and and the communication process. Sender, the person who starts the message, thinks of an idea and wants to share it. And encoding, the sender puts the idea into words, symbol, gestures, or pictures. Kumbaga, siya yung nagbibigay ng idea, idea sa senders para makabuo ng mga words, symbols, gestures, or pictures. And message, the information or idea being communicated. And channel, the way the message is delivered. Example, face-to-face conversation, session, phone calls, text, message, emails, or social media. Receiver, the person who receives and understands the message. And decoding, the receiver interprets the meaning of the message. Dito po sa decoding, kumbaga siya po yung nag-interpret ng mga sinasabi ni receiver. Dito po. And we have feedback. Feedback. The receiver responds to let the sender know the message was understood. And here's some common barriers to communication. Noise or distractions, and different languages, misunderstanding, hindi pagkakaintindihan, and lack of attention. For example, may sinasabi si sender pero wala kang pakialam. Kumbaga hindi ka nakikinig. And strong emotions. Here are some tips for effective communication. Uh, Listen carefully before responding. Need or for example, school. When pag may binibigay na instruction si teacher, need mong makinig ng mabuti para para maintindihan mo yung sinasabi niya before ka mag-respond sa isang bagay na yun. And speak speak clearly and respectfully. Dito po pumasok yung kumbaga sa communication ethics. Ah, Need mong mag-speak ng clearly and respectfully. Hindi po dapat mawala yun. And ask question is something is unclear. Pwede kang magtanong if meron kang meron kang bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan. And make eye contact when appropriate. Dito po, need mong makipag-eye contact pag nakikipag-communication ka. And give honest and helpful feedback. And key idea, good communication is not just about speaking. It's also about listening and understanding and responding respectfully. And that's all. Thank you so much.